Stay here.
Okay.
So open, cha-cha-cha, choreography. So start like this. You're going to have a variation of cha-cha sliding door. So you start like this. You go back 2 with the arm here. Change weight 3, arm here. Then you do twist, and then you have steps. Cha, cha, together, 1. From here, switch weight, do hip, hip. 2, 3. Now you have forward, together, back. Cha, cha, 1. From here, you repeat. You're going back 2, going forward 3. You have hip twist. Cha, cha, side, 1. Then you're going to stretch up 2, 3, and now very quick time step. Cha, cha, 1. Now very quick closing, 2. Then slow change, 3, 4. Slow change, 1. And we repeat very fast closing with the arm here, 2. Then you change 3, 4, 1. Now very fast time steps. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Tap, sit, 1. Turn out your foot like this. 1, hold 2, then you do hip, and 3. Hold 4, and 1, and 2, and then you stand up, go 3 on tippy toes. Now go back. Cha, cha, 1. Imagine somebody pulls you with your hip back. 2, you have, and 3. Then you go back. Cha, cha, 1. Here, repeat exactly the same, like second part. Hip twist chasse. You have 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and 2. Close your feet. 3, 4, and 1. Switch. You have 2 steps. 2, 3, spiral. Spiral. Today, spiral. Spiral. Cha, cha, 1, back, lock step. Let's do from here so you can fit in. So spiral, you have cha, cha, 1, 2, and 3, spiral. Cha, 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 1. Just do till there for now. Let's do slowly with me. So sliding door steps. So you go 2. So you're going back. I'm going forward. 2. You change weight forward. I go back. 3. Go cha, cha, 1. Now do hip, hip. I do 90 degree. 2, 3. Come to me. Go cha, cha, 1. Go back. 2, 3. Cha, cha, side. 1. Use your arm. 2, 3. Fast. Cha, cha, 1. 2, 2. Hold 3. Use your arm here. 3, 4. 1. Fast. 2. Change. 3, 4. 1. Fast. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Hips. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. And on 2, use maybe 2 feet. And 2, 3. Then go back. Cha, cha, 1. Hold. Imagine somebody pull you back. 2 and 3. Go back. Cha, cha, 1. Now do hip twist chasse. I have different steps. So go 2, 3, hip twist. Cha, cha. Okay, hip twist. So this hip twist is very important movement for you. It's a basic step in cha-cha. This is back 2, 3, hip. Yeah. So do hip twist. You always do hip twist with me. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1 and 2. And I do different steps. So do it again. Hip twist. Go 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Arm up. 1 and 2. Stay there. Don't do anything. I do 3. I do ronde 4. You just change weight in place. 1. Yes. Then go steps 2, 3. Spiral, spiral. Cha, cha. 1 back. Cha, cha. 2. Spiral. Cha, 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 cha. 1. It's like we're out of camera. That was better. Let's go from here again. From hip twist chasse. So hip twist chasse. 2, 3. Cha, cha. 1. Arm up. 1 and 2. 3, 4. Switch. 1. Go 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1, go, 2 and 3. Cha, cha, 1. Let's finish here. Go forward. 2, straight legs. 3, cha, cha, 1. Don't run there, nothing. Why do you run there? There's run and collect your feet and go forward. 2, collect your feet. Arm here. Now go back to me. And 3, and 4, and 1, and 2.